Hey family, hey guys, hey everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. Just want to share with you a quick grocery haul. I'm living in retirement, and so I've allotted $200 for an entire month for my grocery shopping. And this week, and sometimes I'll break it up in weekly, sometimes bi-weekly. This week I only had a maximum of $50 to spend on groceries, and I wanted stuff that's going to last a week or more. So since it is getting close to Easter time, I just want to remind you guys that this is the time to take advantage of the sales. They'll have things that are traditional for Easter, hams and lamb and things like that. So I'll show you what I purchased. I came under budget, and this is just for inspirational purposes. Even though there's tariffs going on, inflation, still have to, work and be smart about how you put these things together. So at Lidl this week, they had canned vegetables. You can get 6 for $3. So that means there's 50 cents each. Excuse me. So I got cut green beans. I got 3 cut green beans and 3 cans of sweet corn. Okay. And you know me, I like canned goods in my pantry. So this will be good. I can have a couple for the week and then a couple going to the pantry. And then they had evaporated milk. You get 3 for $1, 3 for $3, so they're $1 each. So that works for me. That's one thing about like Lidl. You get the discounted price if you buy multiples, and that's fine. This is what I need in the pantry anyway. So this is $3, $4, $5, $6 already. Put these bags away over here. Okay, then next, got some organic carrots. These are rainbow carrots. So I got some fresh veggies. They had lemons for $2 for $1. So I'll have lemons for my lemon tea, iced tea. Instead of sodas and stuff like that, make a gallon of sweet tea. Like for dinner, this is going to be for Easter dinner. I'm getting this stuff for Easter dinner, and then I can make stuff out of it for the rest of the week. And then here we have jumbo russet potatoes, a 5-pound bag for $2.49. Okay, so I can either, I can have like potatoes au gratin for Easter. Then I'll have some left. I can make some fried potatoes and onions for breakfast during the weeks. Mashed potatoes, baked potatoes. That's enough. These are pretty good too. And they're pretty big size. Okay. So we just have to, there's a lot of people. I have people saying that they got laid off and stuff like that. And so just going to have to just streamline the operations. And people, eggs, now, just because it's Easter, I'm buying these eggs for these were $4.49 a dozen. And so, in the past when I would do I would do like $25 and eggs were like 57 cents, and I would use these as my appetizers. But now, I don't know. I got them, so I might want to bake a cake, some deviled eggs as appetizers, and for breakfasts, okay, for the week. And I'll bulk mine up. I might eat 1 egg. 1 egg is a lot of protein. Put a bunch of vegetables in it. You're good. Okay, butter. I think these were like $3. for a pound of butter. And I got one whole young chicken. It wasn't on sale, but it was just $1.49 a pound. So this was $6.27 because I had room in the budget. So I wanted some poultry. And then they have, I got a pound of 93 lean grass-fed beef with 77% fat. These are $4.99 for a pack. So I have chicken already, and I have ground beef for the week. And then they had a sale on hams. This is a bone-in ham, and they were 79 cents per pound. It's beautiful ham. And so it's a 10-pound ham. And so you get a 10-pound ham for 79 cents a pound. So that's, about $8 and something. Less than that. So the original price was $18.76. So I'm going to say I spent around a little under. I'm not good at adding like that. I mean, math like that. And this is good for June 19, 2025. Okay, so we got ham. So you never eat a whole ham. Two of us, we might have company. We won't eat all this ham. Cut it off. We got the ham bone, making some beans. Or you cut some up, dice them up, and put it in your omelets. I got eggs, so we got proteins. We got ham, chicken, and beef, and eggs. And the name of the game is you got to cook yourself. Okay, keep your funds in check. Butter. And I even heard that they were saying, like people that have food stamps, like they can't buy snacks and everything. And the only problem I have with that's kind of like blaming the victim. It's like, y'all taking our government money, buying snacks, but what about is our government going after these companies that are creating junk? All these chips and all that chemicals, and that's mad scientist shit. That's the stuff that's killing all of us. And they don't nip them from putting all those bad ingredients in the food, all the sodas. They're allowing these manufacturers to make all this poison. They're not limiting them. And then these people are advertising that stuff on TV, YouTube, every media. So they're bombarding us with these ads hundreds of times a day, every day. Okay, and then now you want to put this responsibility on, and then when you walk into the store, they trap you. They know how to display it prominently right up front. As soon as you walk into the store, they put all these traps. Our government is allowing these companies to create poison, to market it, to present it, to trap everybody. And then you want these people that are already down on their luck, that are getting food stamps, to be able to navigate all of these minefields. They're supposed to be able to do that, but the rest of it traps people that are paying their own money. Money that's coming out of my pocket, people that are paying for their own, they fall into the trap. So now you want people that are already, I'm not saying that none of us should be buying a whole bunch of snacks, but to add some in, so I don't like how they're going after, people that already need help, making them, oh, y'all just blowing all the money. Yeah, they should be more responsible But if you are the government and you're go after the people, tell these people, start putting out more nutritious foods. Okay, yes, people on food stamps or any, if you're getting help, if my tax dollars are paying for this, help people be more responsible, so all I can do is I can just do my part. I can show you how, get real food, eggs, beef, chicken, stuff. You got corn. Is this the most nutritious? No, rinse it off, get some of that sodium off. Pair it. You have this, pair it with, some fresh vegetables. Now, these are green vegetables that I'll have on the side, but I'm growing a garden. So Easter, I'm going to be picking greens, collard greens, and Napa cabbage from my garden. I got scallions. I have herbs out there, so I'm going to cook that all up. So, I'm just tired of, people that are on the small end of the stick. Everybody wants to start. They had that show. I don't know that guy. And they're like, yeah, we had a town hall, and these people shouldn't be buying all that stuff. We are the last of the people that are getting over. Now, I'm not saying us, I'm saying people that are like ultra greedy rich. They're the ones getting the F over on everybody. And they act like some mom that gets $200 a month in food stamps, buys some cookies, some chips, that's all up front, that they're advertising every day, like she's the problem. So stop falling for that. Yes, we can do better. Yes, these kids are eating too much junk, but they're not totally the problem. So, all right, so I got off my soapbox because I just saw that someone was saying and people be turning their nose up at, black women with children. And she got some chips in some soda in there, and that's the stuff that you're ingrained into getting sometimes. Okay, that's what the kids want. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to judge that. That's not how I want to eat. At my age, in my 60s, I'm in fairly good health because I do eat that stuff, but I don't eat it all day long. So at the end of the day, let's see, my total for all of this, it's not a lot, is $35.74. So I'm under budget, $34.75. So the rest, so it says I saved $13.13. And that's cool. So I need a quarter tank of gas. I like to keep my gas tank full, so I'll just take that rest of that and I'll get some gas and we're good. So just be, and we don't have to be mean for somebody. Some people just don't know. Like I said, when you know better, you do better. People do, people are complaining, why is everything so high? Is this and that? We can make better choices, okay? Make better choices. When I was in my 30s, when I first got married, and I had a decent income, but then after a while, I want to, I'm feeding both of us. I mean, when I go to the store, I'm thinking about two people. And so for years, I go to the grocery stores just for me. So that's when I really had to learn how to budget, had to manage stuff and everything, had to cook. So let's just do better. I'm not a man. I am woman. And I just feel I'm very proud of the moms that I watch, how they take control of their household. They take control of that budget. They take control of the kitchen because, they have children to feed and they know how to make those freezer meals, those sheet pan meals, and eat a certain time of day. You're not just eating all day long, just eating up all the food. No, there's some controls that need to be set in the household. And I'm just proud of us women. I'm proud of you moms that got to feed people. Even though I don't have kids for a while there, for several years, I had my mother-in-law living with me and my nephew, and he was underage at the time. And then, I had to go into that mode of, thinking about other people. I got other people to feed. I used to be able to eat when I felt like it. Now I got to think about other people. So keep it up, and don't let the system, which you got to beat the system, because the system is trying to beat you. All right, guys. So thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. And if you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. All right. And yeah, that's everything. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.